Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make baked chicken wings. Bake. Arrange wings. Skin side up and bake, turning every 20 minutes until wings are crispy and browned. The total cook time will depend on the size of the wings but may take up to 1 hour. Toss in sauce. Remove from oven, allow to rest for 5 minutes before tossing in desired sauce. The 30th of January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Baking powder, not to be mistaken with baking soda, is a leavening agent usually used in baked goods such as cookies and cakes. It's a mixture of sodium bicarbonate, cream of tartar and cornstarch. When mixed with salt and coated on chicken, it dries out the skin, leaving it crisp and crunchy. 27 June 2017.
Take our lead.
For wings, preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set a wire rack inside each of 2 large rimmed baking sheets. Bake wings until cooked through and skin is crispy, 45 to 50 minutes. Line another rimmed baking sheet with foil. Top with a wire rack. Toss remaining half of wings in buffalo sauce.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.